Okay, here's the defibrillator pads. See, they're made by Philips. And of course, the date on them is old. So let's see. Let's pull it and see what happens. Looks like it's some kind of sticky. Oh yeah, sticky. Sticky, and they've got some contacts on there. Obviously the metal. And that goes on to the it goes onto the pads there. So let's see. Yep, just rivet it on there. Just for fun, let's cut those off and then see if they have some kind of connectivity here. Let's chop that one off, that one off. Let's see. There's a wire there. There's a wire there. Let's see. Let's see, let's take the meter here. Let's put it, let's touch one of the leads here. Let's put it on beep. So one of the leads there, and one of the leads here. Let's just peel one of these off and see. Yep, I just got lucky and hit the right one. It's funny that there seems to be a little, it only makes contact if I punch through that gel that's on there. See if it's got a resistance. Oh yeah, it's got about 100k ohms of resistance or so. Let's see. Yeah, 50, 60k there. So I guess there would be some, it would still transmit the voltage through that pad. It's very interesting.